Before buying a stovetop pressure cooker, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Tefal Clipso Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. First up is the Tefal Clipso Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. Priced at $129.99, its sleek design caught my eye immediately. If you want quick, healthy meals without the hassle, this is worth a... Product number 2, Presto 01264 Aluminum Pressure Cooker. Next, we have the Presto 01264 6-quart aluminum pressure cooker, coming in at just $55.99. It's a solid option if you're looking for affordability without sacrificing quality. This is worth a serious look if you want to cook meals quickly without breaking the bank. The heavy-gauge aluminum construction heats evenly, which is crucial when cooking meats and veggies to perfection. It's designed to work on both regular and smooth top ranges, making it super versatile. The pressure regulator maintains the proper cooking pressure automatically, so you don't have to constantly check it. And you'll appreciate the cover lock indicator that shows when there's pressure inside, preventing any accidental openings. Here's why this matters for you. It simplifies cooking and reduces the risk of mishaps. Some users mention that the aluminum material can be prone to scratches, but honestly, if you handle it with care, it can last a long time. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you prefer a stainless steel build for easier maintenance. With its extended 12-year warranty, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking a lightweight yet durable cooker. Product number 3, Prestige Popular Aluminum Cooker. The third product is the Prestige Popular Aluminum Pressure Cooker, priced at $49.49. This one really caught my attention for its quality and affordability. If you want a reliable cooker for everyday use, this is worth a serious look. With a 5-liter capacity, it's perfect for small to medium families. The virgin aluminum construction offers durability, and the thicker base ensures even heating, reducing cooking time. It comes with safety features like the gasket release system and metallic safety plug, which give you peace of mind while cooking. That's key when you're using a pressure cooker. Here's why this matters for you. You want to cook your meals efficiently while ensuring safety. However, some users found the handles might get a bit hot during cooking. Here's the thing though, a quick use of oven mitts can easily solve that issue. This is perfect for you if you want a compact and safe pressure cooker for your daily meals. Skip this one if you need a larger capacity. With its ISI certification and multiple size options, it's a great value for the price. Now, if that smaller size doesn't quite fit your needs, the next one might just be the solution. Product number 4, Imusa 7-quart aluminum cooker. Coming in 4th place is the Imusa 7-quart stovetop aluminum pressure cooker, priced at $47.99. This model gives you great capacity for a reasonable price. If you want to cook for larger gatherings, this is worth a serious look. The 7-quart capacity is generous, allowing you to prepare hearty meals with ease. Made from pure aluminum, it heats evenly, ensuring your food cooks thoroughly and quickly. It features cool touch handles and a secure locking mechanism, which enhance safety while cooking. Plus, the automatic pressure regulator takes the guesswork out of the equation. Here's why this matters for you. It simplifies cooking large dishes without compromising on safety. Some users noted that the locking lid can be tricky at first, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly cooker that can handle big meals. Skip this one if you only need something for small portions. With its solid construction, it's a reliable choice. Now, if the aluminum build doesn't appeal to you, the last one on our list is a fantastic stainless steel option. Product number 5, Hawkins 5-liter Contura cooker. Last but not least is the Hawkins 5-liter Contura pressure cooker, retailing at $67.17. This one stood out to me because of its stainless steel design and reliable performance. If you're looking for a durable and efficient cooker, this is worth a serious look. With a 5-liter capacity, it's ideal for families of 5 to 7 people. The 100% stainless steel construction ensures longevity and even cooking, while the 6.6mm thick sandwich bottom prevents warping over time. The curved body makes stirring easy, which is a nice bonus. Here's why this matters for you. You want something that cooks evenly and lasts for years. Some users mentioned it's a bit heavier than aluminum models. Here's the thing, the weight often translates to better quality and stability while cooking. This is perfect for you if you want a heavy-duty cooker that can withstand regular use. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight model. With its quality construction and reasonable price, it's a solid investment. So there you have it. Each of these stovetop pressure cookers has its own strengths, whether you prioritize speed, safety, size, or durability.
To recap, we've looked at the Tefal Clipso for speed, the Presto for budget friendliness, the Prestige Popular for compact cooking, the Amusa for larger meals, and the Hawkins for durability. Each one has something unique to offer, so the best choice really depends on your specific needs. Happy cooking!